Okay, we're recording. Hello YouTube, today I have this package here that I purchased. Well, I didn't purchase it. I asked for it to be purchased and paid the person who purchased it for me. So let's open it up and see what improvements to the shop I have made now. Now let's open the Amazon Prime package. Boiled linseed oil. Okay. What is this? Oh. GoPro charger, or that thing charger, and 2 batteries. That's cool. Now with the boiled linseed oil, I have a whole pound of pure beeswax. That's going to be a good wood finish. And especially, it was very much given to me, maybe, a chest mount for the GoPro. I'm going to put this on now, and then I'm going to give my honest opinion on it. Now I have a chest mount camera. It only costed me, I think it was, let's not get my camera charger dirty. It only costed me $8? Question mark. Yeah, $9, I think. I'll include a link to it down below on Amazon. Not because they pay me or anything. It's just, it's a good thing to have if you have a GoPro. Okay, YouTube, I've got it sand up to 3,000 grit, which I call 3 grand. I just took the see the 2,500. $3,000 brand new sheet. That's just polishing the wood. And now I have a finish that I would like to try that I've never tried before. I bought both of these off of Amazon. It's a bottle of boiled linseed oil and pure beeswax. So por nada, I think. I get that waxed up. Now take some of this boiled linseed oil. Now take a little bit, take a piece of paper towel. Just put a little bit on that. Now work the beeswax and the oil in like that. Maybe a little bit more beeswax. And it's got a nice finish on it. What do you think? There's no dry time. A little bit of build up wax right there. That looks really good. I like that finish. And on a piece of hickory. This is a piece of hickory. So there we go. I have a new finish. Well, what I'm planning on doing is actually melting down some of this and putting it in a bigger container and having one solid container of both of these mixed. Alright guys, you've seen me making this ring from a block of wood. I wood turned this with my bowl gouge and then finished it with a beeswax linseed oil. And now it has a luster to it, it has a shine, it looks really nice. I really like that. So I'm probably going to be using that finish for my stuff from now on. If you like this video of me making this and want to see more of that, please go to my channel, hit that subscribe button and check out some of my videos. I think I have 60 of those. And if you like this video, please comment down below what you thought of it, and like this video and share this video if you feel like that's necessary, because that helps a lot. It helps my channel grow, that helps everything, and have a great day.